Today we will be making 5 extremely healthy and tasty avocado toasts. I'm sure you would love them. We will begin with cutting the avocado. To ensure the avocado is ripe and ready to use, you check the top part, and if it comes out very easily like this, that's number 1 indication that your avocado is ready. Number 2 is to press it gently, and if it feels soft and mushy, then you can go ahead and open it. So we will insert our knife and roll it vertically like this and give the two sides a little twist in opposite directions. It should separate easily. This one is not so pretty, but let's be real, that happens sometimes, and it does not necessarily mean that your avocado is bad. It's just overripe sometimes. But to be safe, we will discard the discolored parts of the fruit and move ahead, as the rest is perfectly safe to eat. And look how pretty the second one turned out. To de-seed it, all you have to do is hit the seed carefully with a sharp knife like this, little twist, and it comes out very easily. Now we'll take a big bowl, and with the help of a spoon we will scoop out the avocado. And I will repeat the same with the other pieces. Let's pour over lots of lime juice, some salt, and pepper. I know it looks like a lot, but we are making a big portion here, so it's fine. Then we'll mash the avocado with the help of a fork. For the protein today, we are adding 1 cup of boiled small white beans. You can use any beans that you like, or chickpeas or some lentils. We will give it a mix. If you prefer, you can mash the beans as well properly, but I like the texture this way. I would prefer lime juice over lemon juice in this recipe, but if you don't have lime around, lemon is fine too. And our base is ready. Let's assemble. I've cut these spreads in half. The first step is same for every toast, that is to spread a thick layer of our avocado bean mix on the bread. So here we go. For the first toast today, I have some yellow bell peppers and some scallions, also called as green onions. For the second toast, we are adding some sun-dried tomatoes. I love them. And some pumpkin seeds for a little crunch. For the third toast, we are adding all things that are extensively used in Indian cooking and coincidentally goes very well with avocado toast: onion, garlic, coriander, and finally some ground cumin. For the fourth toast, we are adding some cucumber, jalapeno, and some smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked paprika around, you can use any kind of red chili powder. And for the last toast, I'm adding some homemade pesto that I had in the fridge today. And by the way, if you would like to see how I make pesto at home, do let me know. It is super tasty and healthy and keeps in fridge for like a week. And we will also add some black olives here. And tada! We are done. Trust me, these toasts were super tasty. We finished it in no time. Please do give them a try. For exact measurements and nutritional value, I have given the link to my blog in the description box down below, so you can check that out. Have an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.